Hello and welcome to Finance Bros, where investing isn't just for the pros. If you're tuning in for the first time, hit that subscribe button for more straightforward financial advice. To our loyal viewers, it's great to have you back on our investing journey. Investing is a powerful tool for building your wealth, crucial for securing your financial future and the lifestyle you dream of post-retirement. Today, we'll unfold the mysteries of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds and set you up with the know-how to get started. Imagine planting a seed today and watching it grow into a sturdy tree. That's investing. Now imagine your future self enjoying the shade and fruits of this tree. Tempting, right? So, what is investing? It's like planting that financial seed. You're putting money into assets today. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, expecting more money in return over time. Why invest? To make sure your money doesn't just sit idle but grows. It's about outpacing inflation, which nibbles away at your savings purchasing power. Remember, with the potential for higher rewards comes higher risks. It's about finding the right balance for you. Let's dive into stocks. Owning a stock is like owning a tiny slice of a company. If the company does well, so do you. If it doesn't, your stock can decrease in value. Stock prices can jump up and down for all sorts of reasons. Company performance, economic news, or just investor mood. Despite the ups and downs, stocks have historically provided high returns. For beginners, consider blue-chip stocks. These are large, established companies known for their stability. Now bonds. Think of them as a loan you give to a company or government, and in return, they pay you interest. When the bond matures, you get your loaned amount back. Bonds are generally safer than stocks but offer lower returns. They're the slow and steady players in your investment portfolio. Mixing in some bonds can be a smart way to diversify, which is investor speak for not putting all your eggs in one basket. Mutual funds, they're like a big pot where lots of investors add their money. A professional manager then invests this pot in a variety of stocks, bonds, or other assets. There are many flavors of mutual funds. Index funds track market indexes and are great for starters. Actively managed funds, well, there's a pro picking the assets, aiming to beat the market. With mutual funds, you get instant diversification. But watch out for fees. They can eat into your returns. And that's your beginner's playbook to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Start small, but most importantly, start now. The earlier you begin, the more your potential growth. Loved learning about investing? There's a whole lot more where that came from. Hit that subscribe button, check out our other videos, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Follow us for daily tips on social media, and be sure to check out these videos next to continue building your financial acumen.